Hello student, are you still confused how to answer this question? So here, let me explain again to you how to answer the question. But here, I will only focus to number 1 until 3, since the question from number 4 until 26 are stories question. So that means you have to read it carefully before you answer it, okay? But if you have question, you can ask me in class dojo. So here for number 1, I think it's pretty clear. You have to answer each table, complete each table. It means you have to answer this empty space. Here, if you see, there is a sign of multiples of 3. Here, 5 times 3, it becomes 15. So here, what is the number right here? When you multiples with 3, will become 21. And then, what is the number right here? When you times with 3, becomes this answer. This is also the same. What is the number right here? When you multiple with 4, will be 16. What is the number right here? When you times with 4, will be 28. And 10 times 4, what is it? Put right here. And then what is the number when you multiply with 4 will be 48. This is also the same. Okay, clear, right? Here for number 2, complete multiplication square. If you remember that we already learned it in first semester, let me give you review again what is multiplication square. So here is the basic one of multiplication square. So basically you have to multiply this column with this column, the number from this column with this column. So here, if you see here, number 2, if you put line, will meet with number 3 in this square. That means 2 times 3 becomes 6. So the answer right here is 6. And then here, if you put the line, 4 will meet with 3 in this square. So 4 times 3 becomes 12. So here will be 12. And here for this square, you will meet 4 and 4. It becomes 4 times 4 becomes 16. And here you will meet number 2 and number 4. So 4 times 2 becomes 8. Remember, you have to times this column, the number in this column with this column. It's not like you multiply the number right here with the number right here, yeah? This with this, okay? So here is for the question of number 2. Some of you still confused because maybe the number is not in the right place. So here I give you the easiest example. So here, to answer this square, it means number 3 it's supposed to meet with this the number in this square. Since there is no number, so you cannot answer this question. Let's move to the here. 3 in this square, 3 will meet with 5. So basically you have to answer the one that has two number right here. Here, like this one. 3 and 5, they can meet here. So 3 times 5 will be 15. And then here, 5 meet with the empty space here will become 20. That means 5 times what to get 20? 5 times what to get 20? It's 4. So that means right here is number 4. Look, since we already know what is the number right here, you can continue. So here 4 meet with this square will be 8. So 4 times what to get 8? 4 times what to get 8? 4 times what to get 8? It's 2. Yes. So 4 times 2 becomes 8. So here, since there's number here, you can answer what is the number right here. 2 times 3 becomes 6. That's all. This is also the same. 2 times what? But there's a number right here, so you cannot answer. But here, 2 meet with 5 right here. That means 2 times 5 becomes what? And then 5 times what becomes 20. Okay, is it clear? Okay, for number 3, you have to draw an open array to help you to answer this question. Basically, you have to make a rectangle to answer this question. So for example, the question is 23 times 4. So here 23 is what is the unit of 23? The unit is 3 and the 10 will be 20. Or the simplest thing is 23